Hello friends, welcome back to tuteslearn.com, your online study center. This is Virender and today we are going to create something special. I have a drop down menu created in here, and as you can see, when you go and hover over gallery, you got a drop down menu for selecting the sub menus from it. And that's how we can create our navigation bar with a drop down menu. So today we are going to create this, and that's the coding that I used. So let's create a new file. Go to create a new HTML and create. And now let's start with the HTML first, and then we will provide it the cascading style sheets effects. So let's first do this. Type a UL, close it. Inside the UL, li home slash li courses slash li, oops, or you can use gallery, whatever you want to use, uh, li, and then there was contact us slash li, and the last one was let it be about me. So this was the structure for the main navigation bar without any drop down menu. Let's give it a class names parent, saved it, and save it with a name, called it somewhat called navbar.html, save it. And in this we are going to use an external CSS file, so type link href equals nav.css. That's where we'll be creating in a moment. Relation will be style sheet there, and the type is obviously text slash css. So that's it. Save it and now create a new css file. So go new, create new css file, create. In this we had created parent, so type parent uh, list style type and none. What it does, okay, first save, you need to save that too. So save it nav.css, save. If the code isn't there, save it. Hit F12 first to view the HTML file without CSS. This is our HTML file without CSS. So go back and just provide some style effect to it. Okay, so do this and let set its height to be 50 pixels and the background to be black. Okay, so save it, alt tab F5. Okay, there might be, okay, I had spelled it wrong. Now save it again, and you can see now first I need to change the color. So I'll go into the dot parent li, that is the list items, and I will change the color to white so that they could be visible in the black background. There you can see. And also I would use something called float left. Okay, so what does the float left do is it basically sticks the element of our parent class to the left, so they will not come below one each other, but they will come side by side to the left. And now I will increase the font size. So increase the font size to around 36 pixels and take a margin top from about um, 4 pixels and take a margin and take a padding left. Actually take the padding, yeah, left or right, whatever. From top take the padding 0 pixels, and from the left and right take the padding to be 5 pixels. Save it. There you can see. And let's add a bit more padding. So do it 10. Now you can see there is more space provided to us. And if you are not getting it where we are using padding, then you can always check that by using the background. Set it yellow. So as you can see, this yellow background is the of this text, and the black background is of the dot parent class. So dot parent has a background of black, and this text, that is this text element, has a background of yellow, and we are giving it a padding of 10 pixels from both left and right side. So that's it. Also, I would like to have a border right to be 1 pixel solid black. Oh, white. So save it, and you can see that now we don't require this background yellow. So delete this. Now save it and check it out. So this is your navigation bar that we had just created. Now click and type dot parent li hover, which means when we hover over the list items of the dot parent class, then it should background should be white and the color should become black. So like this. So this is our basic navigation bar that we had just created. In our next part, we will be doing the drop down menu. So okay, see you in the next